Let's make my money back like I told you guys. I didn't make a quarter off this thing. Not a quarter. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video, man. It's time to get this hair cut, and we are probably most likely going to be selling the Mitsubishi today. The Mitsubishi. Am I saying it right? The Mitsubishi. We're going to be selling the Mitsubishi today. This customer is kind of getting on my nerves, though. I ain't going to lie. He talking about having gas in the car and all of that. No, sir. I told him the gas light is not going to be on, but you're not getting no free gas card. You know what I mean? Because honestly, guys, I'm not even making no money off this car. I'm just literally getting my money back. Literally getting my money back. Literally getting my money back. Literally. Like, you know what I'm saying? So me putting gas money is coming out of my pocket. You know, well, it's all coming out of my pocket because I got money in it. But y'all see what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I'll be losing. You know what I mean? Like if gas is, put it like this. If gas is $30, I'm losing $30. You feel me? Like literally getting my money back. And I promise you, if he do not come with the exact amount, I will make him take that 5-hour drive for no reason. I promise you. But anyway, so we're gonna be selling the Galant, and I'm about to get a haircut. So I'm gonna get my haircut first, and then we have to sell the Galant. Well, it's gonna be a little bit after I get my haircut. You know what I'm saying? And I decided to drive the M today, baby. Y'all see what's going on? Decided to drive the M today. I actually, because it's a rainy day, but I already got my pictures for to post online. So I probably am going to be posting, not probably, I am going to be posting the M for sale. You know what I mean? So gotta get some money, man. So the Galant, I'm gonna sell the M. I got the G35 still, and the G25. So what's probably gonna end up happening, man, and that car is good on gas anyway. I know I was talking about it and stuff, like, man, it's slow. The G25 is definitely slow, but I do believe that is going to be the car I end up keeping for now. You know what I mean? You know, we always going to change cars, but for now, we're probably going to put some miles on the G25. You know what I mean? It's a 2.5 liter. It is way better on gas. I should have drove it, but I was just like, man, I need to take pictures of the interior because I already got my exterior pictures of this car. I took them like when I first got it washed, so I got my exterior pictures. I just got to take some interior pictures, and I got like a lot of stuff in the back, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? So we got to get some interior pictures. So that's what we plan on doing today. So let me go ahead and get this haircut, man, and I will catch you guys as soon as I come out. I'm gonna see I gotta see what type of gas in it, how much gas is in the Mitsubishi, but it's a gas station right up the street. Like if I gotta put $5, literally $5 in the car, I will. You know what I mean? This customer, bro, this customer acting like he's spending $17,000. Let's just say that. If I tell y'all all the stuff that he was saying, I'm like, bro, I sent them a car of me going 100 I sent them a video of me going 100 in the car. Like I was going 100, and I sent them the video. He's still asking questions. I'm just like, bro, is anybody else sending you a video of the car going 100? Like, come on, bro. Like, you're getting on my nerves. So, but that's cool, because I'm gonna have a trick for him if he don't bring that whole amount of money. I can't wait to tell him, hey, I'm about to go. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna see y'all in a minute, man. Let me go ahead on the sport mode. Slow down, boy. But yeah, I'll see y'all in a minute when I get my haircut. Alrighty, guys, fresh cut. How I'm looking? Y'all get to see before I can see a little bit right there. Okay, all right, looking all right. All right, so now we are about to go get us something to eat, and then I need to take my pictures of the inside of this car. This car nice though, man. I ain't gonna lie, but everything gotta go. Everything gotta go. So we just need some pictures. We'll be good to go with this. How am I looking, man? You know what I'm saying? Okay. Yeah, my bad. It stopped recording. But anyway, what I was about to say. yeah, it's time to go get us something to eat. And yeah, we'll take it from there. You feel me? So let me go get me something to eat. And then I think I want some donuts. I seen something. I was watching the little TV on the in their barbershop, and they had the freaking donuts hanging it out at the football game. I'm like, damn, I want some donuts now. But I'll see y'all in a minute. We're gonna go get the Mitsubishi after I go get me something to eat. And then yeah, we're gonna get the Mitsubishi, make sure it got a little gas in there for me. You feel me? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the Mitsubishi, and he do got some gas in there. So I'm gonna run me a couple of little errands really quick. Go get me some donuts. I know I mentioned donuts earlier, or did I? If I didn't, yeah, I already ate already. So I just want me some donuts. Yo, and speaking of the G37 that's in front of us, our G35, we may be actually selling that as well today. I gotta see. It's a guy right now that's messaging me, but we gotta see if he's serious. He telling us you can come today or come tonight. I'm like, bro, as long as you come with that money and don't come with nothing less, cool. You feel me? Because you'll be taking a ride for no reason. I promise you. You know what I mean? I gotta stand firm on my prices because I'm already giving these people a good deal, yo. This car, I'm already giving them a good deal. Shit, I'm not making no money off the car. You know what I'm saying? And the G35 I am gonna make some money off of, but you know, yeah, we need to make some money off of it since we're not gonna make no money off this one. And then as far as the M37, I will be posting that today. I forgot to take my inside interior pics. We got to get those so we can do that. So I'm gonna head to go get some donuts, and then by that time we should be ready to sell this thing. I'm gonna get out and show y'all the car because some of y'all probably new to the channel, y'all haven't seen it, but I'm gonna get out in just a few to show y'all what we're looking like. All right, we got traffic and we got donuts. Oh, I forgot to show y'all the car. I gotta pull over to show y'all the car, but as soon as I get out this traffic, I got y'all, man. This is ridiculous, bro. But what time is it? So they should be here in about 30 minutes exactly, as a matter of fact. So yep, so we gonna wait on them, and I'll probably just go wait on them right now. I got all the paperwork with me, I should. Yep. So I'll be with y'all in a minute, man. I'm gonna show y'all this whip, and then we gonna potentially sell this thing as long as he ain't playing with no games. Alright guys, so let's show you what the car is looking like before we get rid of the car. He should, well, you know, people be late all the time, so but he should be almost here, should be. But man, this mug ride like a dream, bro. Only thing was the doors just messed up, as you can see. Actually, you know what? Some lacquer thinner probably would have got that off, y'all. Some lacquer thinner. Did I try that? I think I tried it here. Maybe you didn't. I don't know. But here we go. Let me get the good side for y'all. That's the good side right there. Yeah. This mug ride like a dream, man. Nice and clean on the inside. I think dude was talking about, I forgot who else, something, they was like water damage. I'm like, water damage? Where you get that from? They was like the stain in the seat. I'm like, why would you think that's water damage? Like, what the hell? They don't be knowing though, man. But, and then it's orange. Like orange. But anyway, it's all good. You know what I'm saying? A little education. I was gonna go in the mall real quick and see what they had in there. I didn't know about time change. 250. I have to stop to get diesel. Still coming though. All right. I guess I do got time to go in the mall. But I don't know if I want to go in. We'll see. I'll be back. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Damn, I gotta redo that. But all right, ladies and gentlemen, the car is sold. The car is sold. The Mitsubishi is sold. We got our cash right here. Feel me? All I did, honestly, was make my money back. Like I told you guys, I didn't make a quarter off this thing. Not a quarter. I mean, maybe I made a quarter or something. I ain't, you know, I ain't gonna go down to the final dollar, but shit, I might even lost $1 or $2. Who knows? But got my money back for the car. which is great. I also may be even selling the G35 today. Dude is on his way, so we're just gonna wait on that. So I got a dude who's also coming, and so right now I'm waiting on an Uber. Waiting on an Uber. So, but I'll see you guys in a few, man. But yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So now we are on our way to go pick up my Infiniti G35, and we're going to be selling that. Now he's going to be getting here pretty late. He said he could be here around 9:15. So that's pretty late, but I told him whatever time you trying to come, bro, as long as you come with that money, then we good to go. So I'm about to go home, chill for a while, and just wait on him. And then we should be getting 2 cars sold today. That would be great. 2 Copart cars. Well, actually, that Mitsubishi came from IAA, actually. So, and then we'll be stuck with the M, which is this, and the G25, which, like I told y'all, I might end up keeping the G25 because it's just a little, you know, it's better on gas and it's got low miles. So, and plus, you know, I might as well go and get my money out of this and, you know, just going to keep flipping this money, man. You know what I mean? Y'all know the name of the game. So that's the plan. Look at us. We got our twin right here. Hold on. There he is. We got a twin right here. I think I just seen this car. Yeah, I did. Damn, he beat me over here. That black nasty. But all right, guys, I'll see you in a few. All right, guys, we made it back to the house, and boom, this one is the one that I was talking about, the G35. It needs to be sold. All right, so that's what we're about to do right now. Let me get my donuts off. Well, actually, he's coming later. It's gonna be later on in the day, and then I need to take the interior pictures of this. I need to get to that, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. But I'm about to go in the house, chill for a minute, eat my donut, and I'll see y'all later. All right, guys. Wipe my screen. Yeah. Let me show y'all what we looking like. We done brought the car out. Oh, matter of fact, let me. Man, I'm gonna miss the G. Miss the G, man. Make sure I don't got nothing in here. Nah, I just got some gloves. Got some gloves. Got a little thing. I ain't got nowhere to put this, so I'm just put it up under there. You feel me? All right. I know it's dark out here, but so we about to sell this mug. Let me make sure ain't nothing in this thing. This thing is clean though, I'll tell you that much. Y'all can't even see. But yep, man, so it's gonna be the last time y'all see the Infiniti G35, man. It's about to go. You feel me? If y'all don't remember, it was this side that needed to be replaced. I replaced the headlight, the bumper, and the fender. And that was it. It's the only thing I've done to this mug. So I'ma just chill in here. Wait for them to come out. Might put a little heat on. Man, this car is a trooper, bro. I tell y'all. I done been riding in this thing. It just didn't have the backup camera and all that, unfortunately, you know, in this one. But other than that, man, this thing is pretty quick. But I'll see y'all in a few. Get some heat blowing, and I'll catch y'all in a few. All right, guys. Oh, hold on. I'm trying to put this stuff in my pockets and everything. But we sold the vehicle, guys. Now I got to get a ride back home. But I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Y'all see what's going on, man. He bought it. You know what I'm saying? He riding. So I appreciate y'all, man. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Let me call me an Uber. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray. I'm out. Peace. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.